Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels replacing audio not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to apps. Click on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Click on Instagram application. Again click on storage. Tap on clear data. Again tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Go back. Again click on apps permission. You make sure your Instagram application all permission allow. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram application. Click on profile picture. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Reels video replacing audio not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.